Punta mo na lang isang Karen Carter.
We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy, I felt it. The old man problems have not been all to face, but lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You got to love me the way I am, simply be. Don't love me if I will tell. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free.
Dali, palabang natin. Si Karen, hindi, kamohis lang, Karen Contractor. Oh, may tinuturo pa uli doon.